What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I'm going to talk about how you can make over $100 selling video games. Yes. Also, I want to remind my subscribers, don't forget about the free giveaway. I will be announcing the winner this weekend. Yes. So if you still want to participate, click the link below. It's not too late. As you can see behind me, I got a crap load of video games. I counted them all today and it's over 1 million. Just kidding. Even game consoles, it doesn't matter to me whether they're new or used. As long as I can make money off them, I will sell them. Even things like controllers, I sell these for 40 bucks each and I have at least 10 here, so you guys do the math. Fuck. I guess they're $20 now. Pieces of shit. And even the PSVR. Holy shit, I'm like in another planet right now. Just kidding. It's not even connected. And the great thing about buying and selling video games is you can also enjoy them and pretty much play them for free. I'm at the point now where all these games, all these systems, my PSVR, controllers, everything has pretty much paid off for itself. So I literally got all these games for free. Yes, that's right, free. All it took was a little bit of time and effort and a whole lot of lowballing. I'm gonna show you some ads that I created where I don't have to go out to look for a deal, but the deals come right to me. And here's my ad, there's the title. Here's my contact information. Usually I use this picture right here, but you could put a picture of money, you could put a picture of whatever you prefer. You can have a description of whatever you want to purchase, including a PS4. Usually the best deals you can get are those big PS4 packages. Just like the other day, I bought a PS4, 2 controllers, and 8 games for only $300. So how much profit am I gonna make from that PS4 package? So this is literally... These controllers are gonna break after this video. So this is literally what I bought the other day for $300. I got a PS4 Slim, I got 2 controllers, and I got 8 games. So how much money am I gonna make off this package? So from my experience, I could sell that PS4 Slim for $280 to $300. The extra controller I could sell for $40, and the games I usually sell between $10 $30, sometimes even more, but I'm gonna round it down to $15. So if you do the math, when I sell all these games separately, I'm gonna get $280 for the PS4, $40 for the controller, and $120 for all 8 games. And that's lowballing myself, so I know I can make more. So the total will be $440, so that's a total of $140 profit. And this is great for gamers because you can literally make money playing video games and it doesn't cost a penny. Well, you do have to initially invest into these games, but you can get your money back almost instantly. On average, I profit at least $10 per video game. So the way I look at it is if I sold 1,000 video games, I would make $10,000 profit. If I sold 10,000 video games, I would make up to $100,000 profit. And I know so far in the 2 to 3 years that I've been doing this, I've sold at least 2,000 video games. And I guarantee you by the end of this month, I'm gonna sell all these games and I'm gonna buy more after that. And the same thing for systems. When it comes to PS4 and Xboxes, I usually profit $50 to $100 per system, and I have sold over 500 systems. So not only did I just sell a crap load of games, I pretty much played every single game in the world, and it didn't cost me a penny. Because you know how some people say video games are too expensive, it's a waste of time, it's a waste of money. Well, not if you're making money off it. Well, technically when you're sitting down and playing video games, you are wasting your time. But if you're making money while doing it, then who's to stop you? The trick is to not get emotionally attached to your video games. Let's say I have one game and it's my favorite game and I get an offer on it, I won't care. I'll sell that game because I know that the prices of games are constantly dropping. So sell that game, make your profit, and don't worry about it. You're gonna get that game back eventually if you keep grinding it out. And on top of that, you're gonna have a million other games to play with, so who cares? This is all in Canadian dollars though, so if you're from the States, maybe you might be selling your games or your systems at a different price, and you're probably getting them for a cheaper price because in the States the American dollar is worth more than the Canadian dollar. So PS4s are a lot cheaper there than they are here. Also, I'll be showing you my advertisements for my video games because I will post all this up, and starting today I'm gonna start selling these video games. I'll try to keep you guys updated with what I'm selling. That's if you guys want to know. Let me know in the comment section if you guys care how my progress goes, and if not, then it's okay, I'll just sell them. Also, be careful with scammers. I would advise you to always try to test the system out before purchasing it, because there are a couple times when I bought a PS4 without testing it, and one had like a broken HDMI, another one had a missing hard drive. Luckily for me, I'm pretty handy and I was able to get a hard drive and actually install it into my PS4. So if someone's being sketchy and doesn't want you to test their PS4, that should be a red flag. Always trust your gut instinct. If you think something's wrong, then just don't even waste your time. Just tell them thank you, I changed my mind, goodbye. Well, that's it for now. I hope you gamers enjoyed this. I hope you guys can make some money off this, because I know I have. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a like. I gotta go sell some video games. So that's it for now. Bye bye.